Have you ever found yourself staring at your screen, a digital dollar sign in your eyes, wondering which Canadian crypto platform truly gives you the most bang for your buck? It's a jumble out there, isn't it? Do you go with the popular kid on the block, Newton, or do you explore the diverse landscape of other Canadian-only crypto platforms? Today, we're not just scratching the surface, we're diving deep into the Canadian crypto scene to help you make an informed decision. For a long time, Canadian crypto enthusiasts were often stuck with limited options or forced to use international exchanges that came with their own set of headaches. Think frustrating CAD conversions, potential regulatory ambiguities, and slower transaction times. But the game has changed. Canada has seen a surge in homegrown crypto platforms, each vying for your attention, your trust, and of course, your crypto investments. This growth is fantastic for us, the users, because it fosters competition, drives down fees, and pushes innovation. But with choice comes complexity. How do you distinguish between a platform that merely says it's good and one that actually delivers? That's where we come in. We're going to break down the key factors that matter when choosing a crypto platform, compare Newton head-to-head with some of its prominent Canadian competitors, and ultimately, help you decide which platform aligns best with your crypto goals. First, let's set the stage. What defines a Canadian-only crypto platform? It's more than just having a .ca domain name. It means the platform is registered with Canadian financial authorities like FINTRAC, adheres to Canadian securities laws, and typically offers seamless CAD funding and withdrawal options with Canadian banks. This regulatory compliance is a massive benefit, offering a layer of security and consumer protection that might not be present with unregulated international alternatives. You're dealing with a company that operates within your country's legal framework, which can be a huge peace of mind if something goes wrong. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, Newton. Newton has carved out a significant niche for itself as a low-cost, user-friendly option for Canadians. It's often lauded for its competitive spreads and its commitment to covering network fees for crypto withdrawals up to a certain amount, which can be a huge saving, especially for smaller transactions. They offer a decent selection of cryptocurrencies, typically over 70, which is more than some of their Canadian counterparts. Their interface is generally considered intuitive, making it appealing to beginners, while still offering features like limit orders for more experienced traders. They also boast strong security measures, including an 80/20 cold storage model, meaning the majority of user assets are held offline, minimizing hacking risks. Plus, their customer support often receives positive reviews for its responsiveness. However, no platform is perfect. While Newton generally offers low trading fees, it operates on a spread model, meaning the fee is baked into the buy-sell price, rather than a separate commission. While often competitive, it's something to be aware of, as the exact spread can fluctuate. Some users have reported occasional login issues or temporary network downtimes, though these appear to be resolved quickly. And while their coin selection is good for a Canadian platform, it's not as extensive as some global exchanges. So, who are Newton's main competitors in the Canadian-only crypto space? We're talking about platforms like ShakePay, BitBuy, CoinSquare, NDAX, and Wealthsimple Crypto, among others. Each of these brings its own strengths and weaknesses to the table, creating a diverse ecosystem for Canadian crypto investors. Let's start with ShakePay. ShakePay is arguably Newton's closest competitor in terms of user-friendliness and focus on simplicity. ShakePay is known for its Shake-to-Earn Sats feature and the ShakePay card, which offers Bitcoin rewards on everyday purchases. This gamified approach to earning crypto has made it incredibly popular, especially with newer users. It boasts zero-fee CAD deposits and withdrawals, and like Newton, it also covers network fees for crypto withdrawals. However, ShakePay's biggest limitation is its coin selection. It primarily focuses on Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you're looking to diversify into altcoins, ShakePay might not be your primary platform. Their pricing also uses a spread, which can sometimes be wider than Newton's, though their zero withdrawal fees are a big draw. Next up, BitBuy. BitBuy positions itself as a robust platform for both beginners and experienced traders. It offers a wider range of cryptocurrencies than ShakePay and has a clean, easy-to-use interface. BitBuy is highly regarded for its security, with a strong emphasis on cold storage and regulatory compliance. They also offer excellent 24/7 customer support. BitBuy has been actively working on improving its fee structure, moving towards lower costs and even abolishing certain deposit fees. They also generate trade quotes using a spread, aiming to be competitive. For those looking for a broader coin selection and a platform with a strong track record, BitBuy is a serious contender. Then we have CoinSquare. CoinSquare is one of the oldest Canadian crypto exchanges, and its longevity speaks to its reliability. It offers a decent selection of cryptocurrencies and prides itself on its security measures and regulatory compliance. CoinSquare also offers features for more advanced traders. Their fee structure, like others, involves a spread, and while competitive, it's worth comparing against other platforms for specific trades. CoinSquare has made efforts to offer free CAD withdrawals, which is a definite plus. Their mobile app is also quite user-friendly, allowing for on-the-go trading. NDAX, National Digital Asset Exchange, is another strong player, particularly for those looking for a wide variety of coins and advanced trading features. NDAX is known for its deep liquidity, which can result in better execution prices for larger trades. They also maintain a high level of security, with segregated customer funds held in Canadian bank accounts. NDAX boasts competitive trading fees, using a maker-taker model, which can be advantageous for active traders. They offer robust charting tools and a professional trading interface. However, their minimum deposit and withdrawal amounts might be higher than some other platforms, making it potentially less ideal for very small investments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.